Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a recipe, sesame podi recipe. The ingredients needed for sesame podi recipe are sesame or til and red chilies 10 and 1 cup of urad dal. Keep all the ingredients separate. Take salt 1 teaspoon and 1 pinch of asafoetida or ink. Now in a dry pan, dry fry the chilies. We need not add even a single drop of oil while frying. See to that all the chilies are evenly dried. The raw smell will be there if it is not fried properly. Keep the flame in medium. Once it is fully round and the aroma comes, you can transfer it into a bowl and allow it to cool. Now I am adding the sesame into the same hot pan. Here also no need to add oil at all. Dry frying is the main thing here. It will start fluttering. Once it splutters, you can just put it off. In this itself, I am adding a pinch of asafoetida. This is for digestion and giving a nice smell. If you don't like this smell, you can avoid it and add salt. 1 teaspoon is enough. This podi can be used for idli, dosa or with hot rice and ghee as well. Dry fry this. The sesame will give out oily texture while we are grinding it. This podi will become lumps when you are grinding, so remove all the lumps and store it. Now I am transferring the red chili powder into the mixie jar which has been cooled, and now transferring this into the jar itself and allowing it to cool. Don't mix all the ingredients together and dry fry it all together. Dry fry everything one at a time, as each and everything different needs a different time to fry. Now I have added that 1 cup of urad dal and frying this might take around maybe 5 to 7 minutes. The white color will turn into golden brown and the aroma will start coming out of the pan. That is the stage you have to live. Don't be in a hurry to fry and keep it, because it might hurt your teeth. That's really, I mean it. Even one single dal uncooked will hurt your teeth. So slowly dry cook everything evenly and allow it to cool. I am transferring it to the mixie jar and then allowing it to cool. It is up to you to leave it in a plate and cool, or whatever is possible you can do the way needed as per your choice. I have taken a very little quantity to show you. You can increase the quantity, but the same proportion needs to be maintained. If you are increasing into 2 cups, make it 2 handfuls of til and 20 number red chili. Now mix it. Just don't put it and grind it. This every step is needed. Mixing and then grinding. See, now the podi is ready. See the color. See the aroma. I am going to transfer it into airtight container. See the lumps. We have to remove all the lumps. You can use a spatula or your hand to remove the lumps, and transferring it into a airtight container. You need not add oil at all. Now the podi is ready. Can be taken with any idli or dosa or even with hot rice with melted ghee. Now the sesame podi is ready.